Good morning students. Today we will learn about the concept of subtraction. Subtraction means to take away. We can understand better it by some examples. Suppose you have 8 chocolates and you give 5 chocolates from it to your sister, then how many chocolates will be left with you? Yes, you will have 3 chocolates. It means if we have to subtract 5 chocolates from 8 chocolates, then we will get the 3 chocolates. The other example is if you have six pencils in which you gave 4 pencils to your friend, then you will get 2 pencils. Now the symbol used for subtraction is minus. So if we subtract 3 from 4, then we put a minus sign. Now in subtraction there are 3 terms are used. First one is minuend, subtrahend and difference. Minuend is the bigger number. So in subtraction there are 2 numbers. One is bigger number and the other is smaller number. So the bigger number is called minuend and the smaller number is called the subtrahend, and the answer which we will find is called as difference. As for example, if we subtract 6 from 9, so we will get 3 and 9 is the bigger number, so it is called minuend, and 6 is the smaller number, so it is called subtrahend, and the answer is called as difference. Now there are 3 rules which you have to learn. First one is minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. It means when we subtract subtrahend from the minuend, then we will get difference. For example, when 2 is subtracted from 8, then then we will get 6. Here 8 is minuend and 2 is subtrahend and 6 is difference. As for example, 8 and 2 is subtracted from 8, then 6. 8 is called as minuend, 2 is called as subtrahend and 6 is called as difference. Now if difference is added to subtrahend, then we will get minuend. As for example, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Now when minuend is minuend minus difference, then we will get subtrahend. It means if we subtract the difference means 6. When we will subtract difference from the minuend, then we will get the subtrahend. It means when we subtract 6 from 8, then we will get 2. Now there are many terminology which is used in the subtraction, that is taken away, left, how many more than, how many more are needed, remanded, difference, given away. These are the terms which are used in subtraction. Now subtraction properties. The first properties of subtraction is when we subtract 0 from a number, the difference will be the same. It means if we subtract 0 from any number, then we will get the number itself. The next properties of subtraction is if we subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. As for example, if we subtract 15 from 15, then we will get 0. So these are the 2 properties of subtraction which you have to learn. Now subtraction without borrowing. So we can understand it by the example and find the difference between 8,946 and 7,825. So in these two numbers, 8,946 is greater than 7,825. So we have to write 8,946 in the topmost. So first of all, we have to write 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Then we have to write the numbers according to their place value. So first of all, we have to write 8,946. Then we have to write 7,825. Then we have to subtract it by the sign of minus. Then so if 5 is subtracted from 6, then we will get the 1 at the place of ones, and when we subtract 2 tens from the 4 tens, then we will get 2. So we have to write here 2. Now 8 is subtracted from 9, then we will get 1. So we have to write 1 at the place of 100. So we have to write here 1. Now 7 is subtracted from 8. So we will get 1. So we have to write here 1. So when we subtract 7,825 from 8,946, then we will get the 1,121, and this is called the difference. 8,946 is called as minuend. 7,825 is called as subtrahend. So in this way we can subtract any number from the given number.